Here's how to install AdBlock on Google Chrome. Open Chrome and go to google.com. Search for Chrome Web Store and click the first official result. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type AdBlock, all one word. Look for the AdBlock extension showing a hand with a red stop sign icon from getadblock.com. It has over 61 million users and a 4.5-star rating. Click on it, then click Add to Chrome. On the pop-up, click Add Extension and wait a moment for it to install. Once installed, click the jigsaw puzzle icon in the top right to see AdBlock in your extensions list. It is now active and blocking ads automatically on all sites. To pause it on a specific site, click the puzzle icon, select AdBlock, and click Pause on this site. To resume, click the puzzle icon again, select AdBlock, and click Resume Ad Blocking. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.